In this tutorial, I'll show you how to duplicate and resize a graphic in Adobe Illustrator so you can adapt any design to a different size.
If you go up to the top, you have documents set up. Say edit artboards. You can copy and paste this artboard to the right. So I'm going to say Command C, Command V, and it just copied and pasted it over here. And I can move it around at this point. And you can see my dimensions up top. So a story graphic for Instagram is 1080 pixels by 1920. So I could type in the height and change the height. So let's do 1920 and click enter. So at this point, you would just be resizing all your graphics and your text to make it fit this size. So what I can do is move my stuff down. I'm going to make this gradient taller. So again, it's about at the halfway point. Let's move this overlay off so I can adjust this box here. So if you right click this, you can actually release the clipping mask, and we're just going to remask it. So I'm going to take that rectangle and make it the full size that I need, and then resize my image to fit that rectangle space, centering our runners. Then if you select both, and then let's put our overlay back on top here. And at this point, we can move our text up. We also have more space here, so I could also increase the font size of my headline, just that leading. And this feels pretty nice. I might just give this a little more space. So we have our date and our distances and then the register today. So that's it for today. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more graphic design and Illustrator tutorials. Thanks so much.